current hex cost in a real sense is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. Hex cost investigation basically is negative today, which certainly is very critical. First help level for hex really is at $0.030. 30 October 2023, in this video we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified pressing issues, facts, what really is especially transient cost expectation for hex, basically is hex a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the hex specialized examination, essentially let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $33,863,355,643, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33% in a quite large manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in a fundamentally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in a sort of significant manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents in a very significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem incredibly. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a for the most part descending heading for extremely present moment, which explicitly is very critical. Right now, an exceptionally broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to really recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, which especially is very critical. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers really become more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, all things considered, further appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers basically become essentially dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, genuinely further appearance, how similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters become fundamentally dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a kind of significant manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The fundamentally day-to-day outline of hex generally shows that the hex cost for the most part has an exceptionally descending development with a 1.19% lessening in truly beyond 24 hours, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The value worth of the hex coin in every practical sense is remaining at $0.032 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing how similarly opposition essentially is a level at which vendors really become truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of additional appearance how similarly Obstruction especially is a level at which merchants especially become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. HEX value examination HEX cost investigation for 30 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, truly made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.86 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the HEX. Essentially in spite of prevalent thinking for the most part. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, which in a real sense is very critical. HEX financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, exhibiting that we utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving most certainly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the HEX, or so they sort of thought. HEX really hasn't in a real sense the closest obstruction of $0.036, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers for the most part become sort of more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further appearance, how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,276,444,521,247 by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would especially help the upturn energy, exhibiting how a bullish breakout in this obstruction level would by and large lift the upswing force in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, genuinely further appearance how HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an especially significant manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers certainly betray the HEX, the really bears could handle the market and fundamentally take HEX cost underneath the pivotal help level of $0.030, essentially further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a down